The Ford Fusion 2013 is a midsize sedan known for its stylish design and fuel-efficient performance. It offers a range of engine options, including a 2.5L four-cylinder, a 1.6L EcoBoost, and a 2.0L EcoBoost engine. The Fusion 2013 is available in multiple trim levels, such as S, SE, Titanium, and Hybrid. It features a sleek exterior design with a distinctive front grille and modern styling cues. The Fusion Hybrid model combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor for improved fuel economy. Ford introduced the Fusion Energi plug-in hybrid variant in 2013, offering extended electric-only driving range. The interior of the Fusion is well appointed with quality materials and advanced technology features. It offers options like leather seats, a touchscreen infotainment system, and Ford Sync voice-activated technology. Safety features on the Fusion 2013 include available adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The Fusion received high safety ratings from the IIHS and NHTSA for its crashworthiness. Ford focused on improving the ride quality and handling of the Fusion, making it a comfortable and enjoyable car to drive. The Fusion 2013 boasts a spacious cabin with ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. It has a generous trunk space for a midsize sedan, making it practical for everyday use and road trips. The Fusion's EcoBoost engines provide a good balance of power and fuel efficiency, appealing to a wide range of drivers. Ford offered optional all-wheel drive on certain Fusion models for improved traction in various driving conditions. The Fusion 2013 comes with a range of available technology features, including a premium sound system, navigation, and smartphone integration. Ford's reputation for reliability and durability extends to the Fusion, making it a popular choice in the midsize sedan segment. The Fusion's design was well received for its blend of sportiness and sophistication, setting it apart from competitors. Ford offered a variety of customization options for the Fusion, allowing buyers to tailor the car to their preferences. Overall, the Ford Fusion 2013 is a well-rounded midsize sedan that offers style, performance, and efficiency in a competitive package.